Hello guys, welcome back. We are on our way to reaching 1000 subscribers. Today we are going to create our first PowerPoint presentation. We created our first template. I'm going to teach you how to create this template, this easy template, and how to modify that. It's good, and this video is gonna teach you very fast, under 5 minutes or 10 minutes I think. Okay, at first how to create this great animation. Let me see this. I created 1 year ago, but that's not important now. This is smooth and great animation. Okay, let's learn and try to create it. For the first thing we need to create new slide. The slide that you created, let me make everything that it's first time we are going to PowerPoint. The slides that you created are all white and this page is not open. What you should do, you should at first right click and then format background and then go here, choose black and apply to all. Now you can see all the slides are going black. Second, we need to copy our text. Okay, let's create a text box here, or you can just copy your text from whatever you want. We copy our text. You just copy your text. Let me copy them. We just copy them. Let me copy all the text. It's just copying them, not important thing. Okay, we copy all of the texts. Now let's make all them color white. Now we need to make our text neat for the show. At first we have our title. We need to make our title bigger. Let's go to our title, press Ctrl A, go to the font. We can use the font Vivaldi. It's a good font. After that, go to shape format, click on this, and after that just make your text white. It gave your text a great edge for show. Okay, that's it. We create our text, and also you can make it bold or not. I don't like it. It's good like that. After that, we need to make this for text right. For that, we press Ctrl A, select all the texts and align them in center. It's important for them to be in center. After that, we simply create the text in the right distance. We just select all of them and we choose another font for them. No, not this font, just Vivaldi, and increase their size. After that, you press Ctrl and left click here and increase the size of your text. Your text is ready. Now we need to insert our shapes. Okay, for that, let's go to insert shapes and choose this shape, rectangle. After that, create a shape and press Ctrl, make it smaller, then right click and send it to back. Send to back. You can see we send a layer in back for the showcase of the back. After that, we just simply run the edges and align it in center. Our shape is ready. After that, we press Ctrl and Shift. We just clicked on this shape. Ctrl and Shift. Ctrl and Shift. Ctrl and Shift. Okay, that's good. Now we say Ctrl and select all the shapes and send them to back. Send to back. Now we need to just simply make them not to be bold. This could press shift and put them in the center of our shape. Okay, this is how we align our shape. Now we can preview our shape, and as you can see, it's beautiful as ever. Okay, let's go a level higher. For now, we are going to change the color of this on what we desire. We go to text options and choose gradient fill and linear. We choose some colors like that. It makes your shape more and more beautifuler than you can think. You can see it's really great using gradient fill. And after that, we just go here and align it in center. Align this in center as well. Okay. Now we need to create these animations. For creating the animation, what we first need to delete these shapes, but not for now. Before deleting the shapes, what we need to do is to change the color of everything that is going on it. Okay, let's do it. The first one is going to be black. After that, we go to shape format. We say Ctrl A and no outline. Then shape fill first to blue. After that, we copy this, go here. After copying that, we increase the size. We can just make it bold or increase the size. It's in your manner. After that, we go this and simply we drag this, send this to back, and we simply drag this to here, to here. Make this white, bold this, and make it black. And after that, delete this and change the color of this shape to the color you desire. For example, yellow, green. After that, we copy that. We make it not bold. Another copy of that, we need not bold. We simply gave it to here. Make this white. Do this for another ones too. Let me make it faster for now, because this is just about repeating the same thing. Copy that. The color must change. I forgot. The color is to yellow. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's go here. Delete that. The color is going to be this color. This is going to black, bold, and this is going to be white. Okay, now let's us delete the things that we must delete. We need them for aligning our text and shapes to be great. Not anymore. Let's delete the past created. For now, let's run it. As you can see, the slides are good, but we don't have any animations. For that, we just select all of them, go to transition and choose morph. Now let's see. Our PowerPoint is ready. It's beautiful and smooth as you can see. And if we go back also, it's great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate your support. Have a good day.